Hey, what's up y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Dylan. It's another half decent winter day. It's not too bad. Y'all see the snow on the floor, but it's pretty clear. Cars already outside. Today is just going to be a little bit of an update. I finally completed the shifter in the car. So I'm going to show you guys that, and I got a few more things in store. Yeah, so just a little bit of an update. Let's get into today's video. Check it out. So let me give y'all a sneak peek of the shifter. You already see it right there. We'll pop into the car. Hybrid Racing short shifter complete. I put everything back. I tucked in the LED lights. The lines for it is underneath here. You still see the line over here, but it goes underneath the console. But shifter is complete. Nice clean fashion. I tried to put back the shift boot, but this didn't fit. What else? I'm using a temporary knob right here. This is a Skunk 2 weighted. So in this video we're going to change that. I finally picked up the final piece, and yeah. So before we complete the shifter with the new shift knob, I got something to show you guys, some new merch. Check this out. So check this out. This is the new merch from High Beams. Motorsport hoodie, pullover hoodie. So you got this color right here in the military green with the sport red, so it gets the design to pop. This is the sand version, and this is the back. This is the back print. Got the motorsport across here. Quality builds inspired by the spirit of racing, thrill, and competition. That's what we do. You try to make our cars kind of race inspired. That's why I have the shifter, the banner, everything. So that's the type of builds we want to build on with High Beams. So this hoodie comes in two colors, military green and sand with the sport red font. So this is available for anyone who wants to support. A few people asked me for the sand hoodie, so I made some of these. The link will be in the description on our site. If you want to support High Beams Motorsport hoodie, go get yours today. Okay, so now let's get back to the program. I'm gonna finish off the shifter with a new shift knob, and I'll give you guys an update of what I did. So let me start by taking this one off. Skunk 2 weighted. Shout out to my boy Marco, he's the one that gave me this. I'm gonna take this one off. Right there. I'm just gonna show you guys. I can get that off. Alright, so if you look down right, come on, focus. Yeah, if you look down right over here, I did have to Dremel this part a bit, so I can get clearance with the short shifter. Shout out to Julian, he helped me out by getting me a Dremel. Yeah, so I had to shave that off. Now the shifter is cleared. It's perfect, it's good to go. This shift knob, like I said, shift boot, like I said, does not fit. So I think I'll be giving this up. I did do a video on this a long time ago, bride shift boot. I got this off of Graphics Expressions, so I will be putting this up for sale since I can't use it anymore. So hit me up on Instagram. I'm trying to sell this locally, but hit me up on Instagram if you're interested. Bride shift boot. So now let me put this back. Just like that, easy peasy. Everything's intact. Alright, so here's a new shift knob I picked up. Got the Maxim shift knob, Hybrid Racing. I went with this to match with the shifter. Same brand, of course. So this is not your regular Maxim shift knob. This is the stainless. So I'm going to show you guys. So this is the product code if you guys are interested. Stainless shift knob, Hybrid Maxim shift knob. So let's open it up. I don't know if I can do this with one hand. Bruh. Yeah, I can't do this with one hand. Hold up. Let's close this up. So here's the shift knob. Ooh, it's looking nice. Nice and shiny. Ooh, man. It weighs a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. Y'all see that HR logo, Hybrid Racing. M10 by 1.5. Perfect for Hondas. Looks kind of similar to this Skunk 2 one, but man, the finish on this stainless looks dope. So the difference between your regular Maxim shift knob and this one's a little bit weighted, has more weight to it, nice and shiny because it's stainless. I feel like it's gonna look perfect with this setup. We got the gold to the stainless look. Let's put that on. Sure it's tight. And that's it. New shift knob, Hybrid Racing Maxim shift knob. Looks perfect for this new shifter. Jeez. So with the final piece to the shifter, it's time to get some shots. I'm gonna take this out, make this look clean. But yeah, let's get some shots of this thing. It looks super clean. I hope you guys like the combo of the gold to the stainless, that transition. Damn, let's get it. Oh man, shifter, man. Shifter is now complete. This thing looks like some jewelry, bro. Ah, already feels so good. This is perfect. That's some ice right there. So with this shifter complete, let's just go for a little drive. Get a feel of it, you know. Start the car, let me warm it up. Oh, just a little struggle. But yeah, let me warm it up. Let's go for a little drive. It feels so good already. Like it's perfect. It fits in your hand. Oh my, so easy, man. So easy. Yeah, this is it. Hybrid Racing, man. You guys made some good products. Feels really good. Just look at that, so easy. No complaints. Me personally, I've always been a fan of the rounder shift knobs, but this one is like a hybrid between like a one that stands tall and round, so it's like the best of both worlds. Yeah, I love the round shift knobs, just perfect for your palm. So let's do a pull one time. Traction control is off. I don't care what anyone says. I mean, like, the Civic doesn't make the most power, but like, it feels quick, man. It's pretty good. I like this car. I love this car. Oh. Okay, y'all, I tried to get an outdoor clip of the exhaust of the Skunk 2 header and the Q300 since this is my first time. I did one take, so hopefully that clip came out nice, but it's time to go home. It's freezing out here. Car is looking good though with the hazards. Yeah, it's time to go home and let's see what we got. Loving that shift knob though, and the shifter. Perfect. So it's time to go home, but let me go home in style, if you get me. Boom. Put that on. Got the interior lights. We good to go. I'll see y'all in a bit. Home sweet home. It's dark now. It's getting dark now. But I'm gonna close this one here. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just a quick little update on the car. I feel like it's complete now. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to click the link in the description if you want to support the channel with merch. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a wonderful day. Peace.